Hi everyone, it's Xenia from Tactiq, and today we're diving into new integration with Google Calendar. First, use your Google account to log in. Now you can switch on Google Calendar integration when you create a new meeting hub. You can also use user setting integration page to change the status or pick a different calendar. Use existing event option is now available when you create a new meeting. Here you can pick an existing event from your Google Calendar. This will create a connection between Tactiq meeting and Google Calendar that allows Tactiq to sync name, date, duration, and recurrence of the calendar event. This sync icon displays the status of synchronization with calendar. Click on it to pick next meeting in this series or change the linked event. Create next meeting note and the date will be copied from the calendar. This sync doesn't work vice versa, since Tactiq do not ever make changes to your calendar. If you'd like to change time only in the meeting note, you can delete link to the calendar event by clicking on the date and proceed with the update. We hope that you enjoy this integration and it helps your team to keep meeting organized and productive.